let's do a quick unboxing. Alright, what do we have here? Well, we got 1, 2, see whether we can get it to fit, 3, 4. We got 4 new balls, but that's not it. We already had 2 more waiting, so there you have it. Now, one of the reasons why we've been buying a lot of these balls and stocking up is because summer is coming here quickly. Over the last couple of months, we've been playing with the same balls and they've been great. These are the 2 balls we've been playing with. We've been playing with this in our local scrimmage matches, and also whenever we go and play competitively, these are the balls we take with us. So if you're looking for a good soccer ball, I highly recommend this. After playing with these balls for a couple of months, and we use them heavily 3 to 4 times a week with adults, I can assure you that these are good balls and they're gonna meet your football/soccer needs. I highly recommend these balls from Adidas. Peace and blessings.